Hello React Native developers, I hope you are well. William here, recording from beautiful Zurich, Switzerland. In the last video, we used Formic for login form and that was quite successful. So I think that now we can move on to the next sign up and forgot password screens. Before we get to it, there is some small adjustments I would like to do to the login screen, and that includes using the keyboard avoiding view. I hope that sounds good. Let's have a look. So we are back into the code here, and there are a couple of adjustments I would like to do before we move to the next screens. And actually some of these adjustments are based on your feedbacks in the comments, which I really appreciate. And here I would like to center these little icons here. Just these, I think, because so I can add a text line here. Center, yes. It's hard because here you see it's not in a square shape, and because the circle is so small in compared to the size. Should I make the size bigger? I definitely should make the size bigger. So let me do, and let me make this bigger also. So style border radius is size divided by 2, and it's too big. Yeah, that looks good, I think. And also, after the last video, I was pretty bugged actually about, I mean, it works well, but of course, if we can use a hook to do this, and it turns out that there is one we can use, which is perfect. So we're gonna do that. So use Formic, and we can pass these as parameters. That's so cool. That looks good. Perfect. Now we would like to also factorize the footer here into a single component. And we just here need to change the text. And you've been many to mention that here I don't need to use a box with a flex row. I can just use text here to wrap it. Something like this. Looks good. And we should create a separate component for it. So welcome, onboarding, login. Create it here. Oh. Maybe I can create it here. Okay. And so the part we want to customize is the text here and on press. So we would be on press. And so we would have something like label, title, and action. Okay. Social login. Perfect. Box. Perfect. This one actually I'm gonna remove it and use touchable without feedback. Text. So that would be title with a space. Action. And perfect. So that would be, where are we? Here. Footer would be footer, title, action, and on press we don't have anything yet. So that's going to be much cleaner because we're going to need to reuse this everywhere. Looks good. Oops. Okay. We lost, so maybe margin top. Perfect. And we might, that looks good. So now let's add the keyboard aware square view. So we're gonna use this library here. So let's install it. And let me use here toggle keyboard software. And if we go back to the login, I guess we can use it here in container. Here I have a flex 1. should probably use it here. I mean, let's see. But here we have the flex one. Okay, I guess that's good actually. Let's try how it looks here. Is that a... Okay. Yeah, that looks good. I mean, we'll see with the other screens. And actually, that makes me think about a couple of things. So first, this one should be a secure text entry. Perfect. And we should link inputs with one another. Let me... So I think we need the ref. I forgot how to do this. So I should also add this autocomplete type email. Password here. That's good. I guess I don't need to set autocorrect and so on to false, right? If it's... Maybe I do. If it knows it's an email field or... No, I do actually, I guess. I mean, I want to remove the... For sure, the auto... So let me try. So autocorrect doesn't seem on, but there's something with capitalization, right? Auto capitalize false. And now we want to do something with the return key. I've done this many times, but I completely forgot. I've done too many animations lately. Enables return key automatically. Return key type, return key label. Okay. To go and of course here, so is it on submit? So on submit, we submit the form. Which is under submit. And here we're gonna need to go to the next, which means I need to have a ref to the password. Use ref. It's a text input. Okay. So that's my type is wrong here. I'm not sure also why. Oh, because okay. No, that makes sense actually. But it doesn't like it here. Okay, I'll check. So on submit, we want to do ref dot current focus. I mean, yeah, I could do something like this, maybe. And we're gonna need to forward, I guess, the command to the function components. Yeah, I guess that's the main issue here. So I'm gonna put back here type of text input and forward the ref. That would be password. Okay. So here, I guess we need to use forward ref. And I guess here I can simply assign it here. And that would be ref object text input. Of rn text input. No. Is that how we are supposed to use forward ref? Props. Yeah, that looks good actually, right? So let's see. Submit on submit editing. So we will be on submit editing. This one looks good. Okay. Guess we can just do it like this, hopefully. So that works. That works. I mean, does it? Let's see. Okay. Cool. That works. Perfect. So now maybe we want to do the sign up screen. Let me check how we are with time. So if I go to app, so we have the authentication navigator, so we can have sign up. So the sign up screen should be pretty similar. And so we need to add it to the root. I mean, I can add sign up. Let's do forgot password at the same time. So we have sign up, forgot password. Okay. So we are gonna have a little bit of boilerplate needed here. So we have sign up, forgot password, actually, sorry about that. I'm gonna remove these, move this one. Check. Yeah, I'm gonna move this one into a file. So sign up. And forgot password. Okay. Yeah, we might want to restart here. And in login, so sign up here, we would do navigation. And so navigation we're gonna get from the props here. And I think we had helper type for this. Perfect. So that would be navigation login. So we would have here navigation, navigate to sign up. Oh. Okay, let me restart here. Oops. I like how they automatically reorder. That should look good now. Okay, so now we can do the sign up screen, which is, I guess, very similar. Sign up here, sign up. And so we have create an account. Okay. So we'll probably need already have an account login here, so we can update the footer. And we go to login. Perfect. And here we have enter password, confirm password. And I think here we're going to need to factorize, right, all these boilerplate for the fields which we need to repeat every time. We're going to need to remember me, I guess we can remove. We're going to need to factorize this. So here would be sign up. Oh, it's funny they didn't put it. Create your account. So let's remove this one. And let's add password confirmation. So it would be password. So let me, okay, add it here. Password confirmation. Let me add it to the schema. So password confirmation, it's required and it needs to equals. Can I do, I think. Yep. Ref password. Passwords don't match. Something like this. Okay, try it. And that's good. Okay, let's do. So that's good as well. Let's add the password field. So that would be password confirmation, that's good. Here we submit, and here we would do password confirmation, focus. This one, it would be password confirmation. We need to create the ref for it. Where is it? Okay, and we need to put it into a box. Ah, what? Interesting. Something like this. And maybe here we could change the icon. That's the same here, okay. So, okay. Here would be next. Bar. Password not match. Here's a match. Oh. Okay, so it looks like I have a bug here. Okay, that looks good. Alright, so that's it for the sign up screen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have some bugs in our forms. We need to fix the TypeScript types. There is obviously a bug with the state handling of our inputs, it looks like. And we need also to factorize all the boilerplates we do for input fields like email and password. And so we're going to do this in the next video, and we're going to implement the forgot password screens, and then we can move on to screens which are outside the authentication process. So I am really looking forward to talk to you soon, and in the meantime, happy hacking.